My name is Kevin Wilcox. I am the president, CEO, and founder of CLX Engineering. CLX Engineering is a Florida-based industrial automation and controls company. So we're well known in multiple different industries, but I would say our biggest industry is by far airport baggage handling systems. So that's basically the conveyor that when you check your bag before getting on a plane, that bag gets put on that conveyor that we design electrically. We do all the programming for, and we provide the entire SCADA systems for that. So that's one big industry that we're very well known for. Another would be the theme park world. We do a lot of work with Universal Studios. We've supported them in their parks all over the country and all over the world, and we've been doing that since the company's inception. CLX, we're a company that's based on honesty and integrity. And there's a lot of companies in our industry that may say the same thing, but we show it. We're committed to creating an excellent customer experience, and our customer relations are above anything else. One of our core values is honesty and integrity over profit. We would much rather build a relationship with customers that lasts the test of time as opposed to making a big buck. So that's one of the things that really differentiates us from our competition out there, is that we make sure that, we treat our customers well and they keep coming back to us. The expertise that's provided by Rockwell engineers in conjunction with the expertise that's provided by the CLX engineers here create more robust solutions that benefit all industries.